We cooking with Abu Velore, baby.
Where flavor meets wisdom, Cooking with Abu Velore is no ordinary culinary series. It's a fusion of food, music, and life lessons. Join Abu Velore, hip-hop pioneer and cultural icon, as he shares his kitchen and his journey. Each episode blends storytelling, beats, and bold flavors, celebrating culture, creativity, and connection. Abu's raw honesty and wisdom offer inspiration for food lovers, hip-hop fans, and anyone seeking meaning in everyday moments. More than a show, it's a movement, reminding us that the best things in life are shared in a real conversation.
Jerk chicken legs, white rice, and crispy cabbage. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Now let's rock and roll. Here we go, family. See the seasonings. Some onions. Prepping up the rice. A little bit of olive oil, light salt. Sea salt. Use whatever salt you like to use. Everything we do here, you do it to your liking. You might want to use organic products. You might want to use some lighter products. Whatever you like to use, family. Always cook the rice first. So it's already prepared, prepped up. Average rice only takes about 10 minutes. Please like, subscribe, tell somebody to tell somebody about us. If you subscribe to the channel, which I hope you will, write subscribe in the comments so that I can come back and support you, your businesses, whatever it may be. Prepping up the cabbage. Again, cut this to your liking. You want to dice it up slim. Dice it up slim. You like it thicker, cut it thicker. You want to shred it, shred it. I'm going to put a little bit of carrots in mine, some onions, a little onion powder, a little salt and pepper. That's pretty much it. A little dab of vinegar. Ride with me, fam. Be a little patient. This is a quick meal, stovetop meal. Don't take long. Better than eating fast food any day. And you can have some leftover for later if you do it right. But I'm not cooking for a lot of heads right now, so you see my portion is very small. You can cook it to your liking if you want to cook more. Got a bigger family, or you want to eat some later, whatever it may be. This is Yeah, Abu Velore, baby. You're cooking with wisdom. It's all about building mind elevation, each one teach one. That's what we do over here. There it is, family. Gonna rinse that. It's ready to throw in the pan. Jerk chicken. I got some store-bought jerk sauce that I usually like. There's about 2 brands that I mess with. Of course, you know, people from the Caribbean islands, they know how to make their own jerk. They make their own jerk sauce. And of course, they cook it in a steel grill. I'm from Flatbush, so I definitely know what's authentic. Many Caribbeans lived in my community, and they cook jerk chicken the best. Can't get it no better than that. Where I'm from, Flatbush. Walk down the block, they're cooking it right on the avenue. Big grill, big a steel homemade grill. They jerk it hard. Close it down, it's smoke jerked. But I'm doing stovetop jerk. It is what it is. Survival of the fittest. It's been marinated. Sauce is love. Like I said, it's store-bought. Top-notch brand. I'm not going to mention the brand because they're not paying me. But it's official tissue. You see it? Nothing to it but to do it. I'm gonna throw that little extra jerk sauce on there. Mine's been marinating a minute though, so it's heavy in the seasoning. You throw it over that rice and that cabbage. It's gonna be tight right, you heard? Sizzling down, it's glazing in that jerk sauce. This will be done in no time. Stove top, quick meal. You know how I do. You're dealing with food, clothing, and shelter, baby. Do for self. Make things happen. There we go. Last but least, we're gonna sizzle down this cabbage. And it's gonna be time to grub hub. So ride with me, baby. We almost land in this plane. And after that, you don't go nowhere. Don't touch this dial. Make sure you listen to some of them sounds. Abu Velore, baby. Velore and double O. One of the best to ever do it. Flatbush, Brooklyn finest. I want to thank y'all for your support. Especially those that have been riding with me from day one. And all the new ones that's coming on board and ride with me, I appreciate you highly. Please like, subscribe, and share if you don't mind. Don't cost you not one penny to help out another brother. And I for surely help you out. Just holler at me and let me know how to do it. It's all peace. Light with the water. I'm not heavy with the water. Because I'm not really oil frying the cabbage. I'm just kind of steaming it. You know, people cook it various ways. Some people like to just oil, light fry it. Some people like to steam it. And some people put some broth in a pan and throw it in the oven and let it bake. So it's all to your liking. We don't claim to be chefs over here. We're just surviving, baby. It is what it is. We cooking with Abu Velore. You heard me? Anybody can cook. Don't let nobody tell you different. Google it. Yeah. Subscribe, like, share, comment. And you know the drill. Peace. We cooking with Abu Velore, baby.
Thug had guns and drugs. I knew the plug, but I was bugged. They gave me $1 million in '88 because my mind was great, way upstate. So authentic, never fake. Political slayer, dope rhyme sayer, Abu Velore, original player. Don't claim to be the best MC, but you know on the low, don't fuck with me. You get damaged, B. I'm G.O.G. I'm T.O.P. My drip is bigger. I'm rhyme flipper. Brown liquor sipper, home run hitter, MC killer, I take the skrilla. I'm Brooklyn born, nobody litter. Frank Matthews and we rock the spinners.
Whenever you call me, I'll be there. Whenever you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you need me, I'll be there. I'll be around.
Don't claim to be the best MC, but you know on the low, don't be.
Let's get it. When I grab the mic, it's like a Tyson fight. I go back and forth all day, all night. Look in the mirror, it's a beautiful sight. 7-day cruise, airplane flights. I'm good to go, piece the double O. I stand alone, can't touch my flow. I clean shit up like Mop and Glow. I'm nice on the mic, you already know.
Whenever you call me, I'll be there.
Yo, man, can we see the
Whenever
mic?
you want me, I'll be there. Whenever you need me, I'll be there.
Yo, man, can we see the
I'll
mic?
be around.
Don't claim to be the best MC, but you know on the low, don't be.
Boogie, break it down. Mark STS, you the best. Abu Velore,
See the mic, man.
Flatbush, Brooklyn, Virginia, East Coast, West Coast. We on.